Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a solution that's reshaping how we approach time management. Reclaim AI, an innovative AI scheduling tool for Google Calendar. Stay tuned as we explore how Reclaim AI can transform your chaotic schedule into a well-oiled productivity machine. Reclaim AI is not just a tool, it's your personal scheduling assistant. Designed to work seamlessly with Google Calendar, it uses AI to optimize your time for work tasks, personal life, and everything in between. Let's break down how it works. Once connected to your Google Calendar, Reclaim AI analyzes your existing schedule. It then intelligently allocates time for tasks, meetings, and even personal activities based on your priorities and preferences. Feature Spotlight, Smart Time Blocking. Reclaim AI blocks time for tasks automatically, adjusting as priorities shift, ensuring you never miss a beat. And there's more. Reclaim AI dynamically adjusts your schedule. If a meeting cancels, it instantly reallocates time for other tasks, maximizing your productivity. From executives to freelancers, many have experienced a dramatic shift in managing their time, reporting increased productivity and reduced stress. Key features include hassle-free integration with Google Calendar, intelligent habit tracking for maintaining personal routines, adaptive scheduling that reshapes your week dynamically, and privacy controls ensuring your personal time remains private. Reclaim AI offers various plans tailored to different needs, including a free version for individual users and premium plans for more advanced features. Embrace the future of scheduling with Reclaim AI. Say goodbye to the chaos of unmanaged time and hello to a balanced, productive life. Visit the link in the description to start your journey with Reclaim AI. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.